Good morning, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. And today we're gonna do my fridge. We're gonna clean out my fridge. Okay, we're gonna clean out my fridge. That's all I'm getting to. That's what I'm getting at. Oh no, why are you guys leaning? Stop, don't lean. Oh, sorry guys, sorry. I wasn't trying to do that. There. Let's get started without further ado because obviously I don't want to be leaving this open all day. April 1st, 2021. Drink that as fast as quickly. Let's go die here. So that was the fridge part. Let me do the freezer now. I'm super happy with how it came out. I hope you guys are ready for the reveal. There we go. You're free. You're off the camera stand. You guys are free to roam now. Aren't you excited? Alright, so with you guys being free to roam, let me show you how I reorganized the pantry. So as you can see, it's pretty empty. Got our milk, got our drinks, we got more drinks, pickles, all of the kids' yogurts and stuff like that, to-go stuff. Here are their Lunchables for the week. I know I only have 2 left, but I bought 2 weeks worth. Now we're down to these. And then lunch meat. I did throw the garlic cloves over here instead of over here because this is where we usually put our fruit. The kids' apple juice boxes are in there as well. This is the drawer where we have all of our cheeses. We do carry a lot of cheese because, well, we like cheese, and also because it kind of goes in everything, and we have different kinds of cheese for different meals. So we got our mozzarella for like if we make homemade pizzas or like little biscuit pizzas that my friend Brenda showed me to make. But this is also our meat drawer. So I do have our hamburger meat and then our sausage and then pepperoni. So that's our drawer we go to for like when it's your creation. It's a creation night. So alright. So I'm going to go ahead and step back and show you guys this action. What we got going on. Da 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 da, butter, pepperoncinis and sauces, and then powdered cheese, biscuits, cold stuff, kids drinks, and sauce, salsa, and cheese sauce. Your condiments such as mayonnaise, mustard, ketchup, etc. Jelly, creamers. Oh, I guess that the jelly was supposed to go down here. So jelly, condiments such as mayonnaise, mustard, ketchup, etc. Buffalo sauce, creamer, and alcohol. Adult drinks, whatever you want to say. And that is the fridge completed. It took me almost just as long to do the pantry. And then down here, this is the frozen dinners and lunches for when I need to tide the kids over. That's just extra french fries and stuff that we had that are just open, so we just didn't finish them off. So like that steak cut bag is actually like only got this many fries in it, like a handful. So that's for the kids. More snacks, as you can see, for the kids. This time it's ice cream for that potty training and good behavior rewards. I was gonna start doing fruit too, if they like fruit, but I'm trying to discover what fruits they like. So then up top is your breakfast stuff and stuff for on the go. Quick grabs. So we got French toast for breakfast. We have the waffles for breakfast. My boyfriend got those red velvet frozen cookies to try, and I think he did try them the other day. I saw them sitting on the counter. I just didn't know what they were. I got one of those, I actually get those 2 packs of these Edwards chocolate pop. All I have to do off camera is I'm going to be pouring this sugar into the sugar bowl, which is right here. It's my sugar bowl. So I'm just going to pour that into there. clean up this mess a little bit. It's not the biggest mess, I'll show you. It's just that I have that bag. I have that bag to get rid of because the counter was clean, and then the thing that I took out for the kids' Gerber stuff. And then I have to ask my boyfriend what the heck this is because it's unlabeled. So I don't even know what it is, so I don't know if it should go back in the pantry or be trashed. So that's what that's there for. Donation. I just need to put this somewhere. And then the only mess I made over here is I was playing Animal Crossing, and then I have my tripod, and then these two things. So, like I said, it's not the world's biggest mess or anything. It's not a big deal. It's just that I did clean this up for my boyfriend last night. Like me and him together made this kitchen look great. So for me to come in here and then just tear it up and then kind of just be like, oh, I didn't do nothing, and walk away, unacceptable. Yeah, so that was my before and after of cleaning inspiration on my fridge. So if you guys were inspired to clean your house because of my videos, then go ahead and leave a comment telling me what you were cleaning while we were cleaning together. What did you get inspired to, you know, go check out and clean it up and get rid of some things? Just let me know. Like a good clean with me inspo where it's like, oh, you just like look at it and you're like, ah, I don't know how you can live like that. And then you love it when they like finish it and it's just perfectly clean. Yes, I love it. I mean, of course, I'm not thinking like, how can you live like that? I look at my own pantry and be like, I'm more embarrassed that mine looks worse than yours. But yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, go ahead and leave a like button so that I know you guys want to see more videos just like this one. And go ahead and subscribe if you guys are enjoying the journey on my vlog to finding a career that suits me. So without further ado, I'll let you guys go ahead and get on out of here. You guys stay healthy, safe, and sane out there in the world, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye.